I'm tired of people with clear skin promoting sea moss to get rid of acne. Like, girl, you don't even have acne. Anyway, I bought it so I can see it for myself. I just got like the one with the most review on Amazon, and oh my gosh. And they have like so many different flavors, but I got the one with the ashwagandha and black seed oil because one of the main trigger for hormonal acne is stress, which I'm not very good at handling. So I'm hoping that ashwagandha can help me relieve some stress. Some of you guys have been also telling me to try black seed oil for my hormonal acne. So technically I'm killing two birds with one stone. It also has ginger for anti-inflammation and vitamin C for antioxidant, I guess. Like, I don't think it would taste that bad because technically this is just seaweed, right? Like sea moss and seaweed should be the same thing, and I love seaweed, so I don't think it would be that bad. Here goes nothing. Wow.